What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back. Today is move day. You guys have already picked it up by now. It's my favorite day of the whole week. Every time we get to pack up and move, I love it because we get to do some new exploring and add to our journey. I'll be right back. Like I mentioned, move day. First and foremost, I wanted to thank you guys for staying tuned to the channel and watching our videos. I hope you're enjoying them. I've said it once before, but I'm going to go ahead and repeat it. If you guys want to see something different or want us to add something, please go ahead and add it in the comments, and I'll do the best I can. But here we go. Today is move day. We are packing up. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to be heading north from where we're at right now. We're going to be traveling about 3.5 hours and staying in tune with our rules. And we're going to be going to a place called Park City, Kentucky. Park City, Kentucky. I am really looking forward to this drive this morning. I've never been to Kentucky. I've never driven through Kentucky. But I hear that it's got little rolling hills, and I hear it's a beautiful part of the country, and I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Okay, so we made it to Kentucky. I gotta admit, it was a beautiful drive out here. It was a major interstate, but I've never been to Kentucky. I've never driven through Kentucky, but we finally here. We finally made it. We are in Park City, Kentucky, and we are staying at a Thousand Trails Park again, and this one is called Diamond Caverns RV Resort. It is right near some major attractions. I'm not going to spill the beans just yet. We're going to bring those to you in the next few days. Day 2 of Park City, Kentucky. We are heading out this morning just to add to our journey. One of the places we're going to visit today, and we're going to bring it to you, is Mammoth Cave National Park. Myrna did all the research on this place. I think the word mammoth is an understatement, and I'm going to videotape as much as I can to share with you guys. So let's head out. For our tour to start. This is a federal building or federal facility, so these are mandatory. just finished Mammoth Cave National Park. Well, one of the caves. This is one of many different areas that you can explore. We did the one, we went 310 feet down out of a 412 mile long cave. It's the longest in the world and counting, because they find new areas every day. At least that's what we were told. I can tell you right now, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that we brought you. We did the best we could. It was really dark, really cramped. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did the best we could, and that's a wrap for Mammoth Cave. All right, here we go. New day here in Park City, Kentucky. So we're heading out to a different type of adventure today. Usually it's the whole camping and the whole trails and stuff. Today we're gonna do a little indoor stuff, something indoors. And Park City, Kentucky happens to be 18 miles away from Bowling Green, Kentucky. And if there's any of you out there that's a car enthusiast and Bowling Green, Kentucky rings a bell, you guessed it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that medley of the Corvette Museum. Let me tell you, you don't have to be a brand lover. Personally, I own a Ford, but there's something to be said about Corvettes, the history behind them, and this place is full of history. It's incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you've never been out here to Bowling Green, Kentucky, I highly recommend that you put it on your bucket list, especially if you're a car enthusiast. If you're a Corvette person, absolutely. All right, so we're done with the Corvette Museum. Figured it was a little early in the day to hang it up yet, so we decided to do one more thing, and we headed out to this place called Diamond Caverns. And we're going to do a tour, which is going to take us about 180 feet down into another cave, and we're going to go check that out. Apparently it's like 58 degrees down there, and I'm really looking forward to it because it's 97 right where I'm at. So I'll get back to you guys. All right, that was exhausting. Yesterday we did Mammoth Cave, which was a little further than this one. But the only difference is that this one was straight down. I mean, it was like all the steps were in close proximity, spiraling. It was straight down, very steep. It was exhausting, but very interesting. I hope you guys like the footage. And tomorrow will be another day. What's up, guys? So today is the last day here in Kentucky, in Park City, Kentucky. We really didn't have anything planned to do today. We were just basically going to do a little bit of maintenance and catching up around the rig, which actually worked out in our favor because, again, it started raining. So if any of you guys out there are experiencing some sort of drought and you want us to bring some rain, just invite us, because everywhere we go, it seems to rain. So we're going to go ahead and end this video for this trip. But before we do that, you guys are going to get to experience, again, something that is pretty cool for us, and that is to add another state to our map. Here we go. there you have it, guys. Kentucky is in the books.